All right, picture this. You're right here, rolling down the giant McDonald's assembly line with me. The hum of machines, the sizzle of fries, this is where the magic happens behind every chicken burger and crispy fry. Let's start with those famous chicken patties. They roll in, perfectly shaped, already seasoned and ready for action. Each patty takes a quick bath in sizzling oil. It's a hot, golden swim, just enough to get that perfect crispy crunch we all crave. Now I'm gliding down the line, and here come the buns, super soft, lightly toasted, just waiting to meet their match. The bottom bun lands first, then a quick squirt of creamy mayo, a crunchy layer of lettuce, and boom, the freshly cooked chicken patty. Top bun slides on like a hat, and before you know it, the burger's wrapped up, fresh and warm, ready to head out the door. But hey, what's a burger without fries? Those fries start as whole potatoes, zipped through a slicer at lightning speed. They take a quick dip in hot oil, dance around till they're golden and crispy, and then, my favorite part, they get a generous shower of salty goodness. Every second, hundreds of burgers and fries fly off this line. It's fast, it's precise, and it's all about that classic McDonald's taste. So next time you bite into a chicken burger or grab a fry, remember, there's a whole world of action behind that delicious crunch. Hungry yet? Like and share this video to all the McDonald's lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Ishverse Infinity.